Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last drone flight, I broke my LiPo battery. Actually, the balance plug of LiPo battery came out for no reasons. So in this video, I am going to repair this balance plug. To repair this balance plug, I have removed the outer cover of the LiPo battery. Be cautious that you don't puncture the LiPo cells. I have 3 cell battery. I have just given a cut to the cover and sliced it off the battery. Now I am removing the foam. Under that foam, the balance plug are soldered. Just carefully remove these foams. These are some electric tapes. I give it a cut and remove them too. This tape is bit sticky. Here we have spotted the unsoldered pad. We will solder the yellow plug on this pad. Now our work is finished. I am applying the tape. I am sticking the foam, and just now cover the battery with a thick duct tape. So the battery is ready. The voltage detector is showing correct voltage. Thank you.